Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today we will have a very brief look at Amitav Ghosh. So who is this guy? Well, Amitav Ghosh, he is one of the most famous contemporary Indian authors. He is from Kolkata, which is the capital city of West Bengal. He got his bachelor's and master's from Delhi University. He got his PhD from Oxford. He taught at Harvard, Columbia University, and some other institutions. Now, the narrative strategies that Amitav Ghosh implements in his writings, they are very complex. So if you read anything written by him, then you might want to be careful from the very first page. So the genre that he mainly deals with is historical fiction. Some of his most famous works are The Circle of Reason, The Shadow Lines, The Glass Palace, The Hungry Tide, Sea of Poppies, etc. etc. So, yes, that is all you need to know for now. You people have a very good day. Bye.